John examination. God, that is. No. Stupid. You're Ezra. My name is Kawumi Boom. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I am. Hold on, wait, I want to turn my graphics down. Wait, actually, wait, I want to turn off my Discord overlay too. Actually, no, I should leave it on. Yeah, no, but I'm only streaming, I'm only streaming at red mode. Stop shooting me! Please! I don't like it! Thank you! Please stop shooting! No, I'm just, yeah, turn on game for them, dude.